Alright, let's go.
Okay.
6, 7.
Good. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Baby chicken nugget! Why? I want to be eaten! Anyway, I'm a chicken nugget, and we're gonna vacuum people's things up without their permission. No permission. You know? So, I'm gonna show you how to build it. I also have a more complicated one. Not that complicated. And I have a super complicated one. But you gotta subscribe and like this video for that one, okay? Yeah, okay. Let's go into public lobbies. I have to build it there. Everybody's in 99 nights at this time. In the new map. So, yeah, we're gonna vacuum people's stuff up there.
If someone that's saying that they'll give some... Okay, I'm gonna actually do it out.
Do I have goop? Please tell me I do. No, I don't have goo. So, I'm gonna go get goop really quick.
Dude, animal.
Goop.
You can also sell wood for some money, so you can mine the
bag.
Okay, ogres.
I got this this game a couple days ago. So I guess I wasn't there for it.
Get your big bag.
My boomerang, please.
I think it's supposed to, but he's not. A glitch.
Perfect.
You made it.
Alright, I got the stuff. Alright, so here this part is. Now I just need to attach the shredders and we'll be done. Here we go, we're done. Let's go. Probably should have attached a light. But you know, no, I ain't dealing with this today. Where are all the trees?
Dude, yellow. I learned something. You get less health when someone gives you the chicken. If you kill the chicken yourself, you won't.
It went into the campfire.
Oh.
No.
Yeah, but I don't have any weapons.
We're gonna go back and rebuild it because it went in the campfire. Lesson learned. They could get burnt in the campfire. Wait, I'm gonna use a non-wood thing to make it because that would probably be better. Good thing I got a full bag of goo because if I only got 2 or 4, which is how much you need for it, I'd have to get more goop. Is it goo or goop? Wait, it's still here.
Yeah.
So it doesn't
You gotta
despawn.
get
Alright, well, we have it back.
Reg.
Right, well, we have our vacuum back.
Pick it
Good.
up, pick it up.
Pick it up.
I love my new chicken nugget outfit. So good. Love it. Okay, we're gonna go into a new server because everybody is in. Or, like, doesn't want to revive. So...
I'm a grabber. One grabber. Okay, good.
Like dumpster color. Without like recycled green, but... There's the thing they even care.
Like you're in Squid Games, go to computer.
Everybody's gone, so I'm pretty sure they're at the 99 nights.
I'm like the toy.
Brooder Pit! Get my goopies back! Give me my goop glop silly sop! Get your big back over here! I ain't dealing with this today!
No, you are a big fat. I'm skinny. And plus I'm a toy.
Get your... I know he's following me. Yep. He went back. The thing is, if you go in your stats, you'll get it fast. Get it fast. No.
What's your
It's Mini Mint.
So it's called mini.
No,
It's called mini.
I I do. I can hear it.
Don't tell my he's trying to run.
Escape.
How?
It sounded like.
You're not faster than me.
So there's no.
I'm walking around.
I'm gonna start pooping everywhere. I'm gonna start pooping everywhere if you don't start touching my butt.
No, I think so. You think I'm shredding stuff? I think so. Think I'll get money? I think so. Think I'm about to shred a shotgun? I think so. Think I'm about to shred a revolver? I think so.
I'm gonna jump this! I'm gonna jump this! Dun dun dun!
Dun dun dun! Dun dun!
Bro, you almost got killed.
I know. Hey.
Chip! Dun dun dun! Let me juke you.
Hey, why you do that to me?
I'm gonna start. Yo, watch out! Dun dun dun! What is that?
Are you dealing with this today?
Why is the fire so big? Shield! I'm gonna shield your balls.
This game is so laggy. What is going on?
Yo, the monsters are pussy. It never came out yet. Alright, bro.
Bro, y'all, this white, dude.
You stupid!
Bro, it's this dude. Bro, don't.
Chicken jockey!
I'll call you.
Alright, guys, ready?
Mine.
Yeah, bro.
The fire.
What is report?
I think I made him mad.
Yo, chill! Hey, I bought you.
That was.
I'm shredding my nut. At the end, we're gonna sell this.
Why is chasing
Let's see how much we get. This is a successful run.
Yo, don't.
I'm not dumb.
Yeah, yes you are, bro.
Kill him!
He's chasing me!
His brain cells is 1. Actually, like -1 then, so. Yeah, so let's go sell.
Help!
Let's get that. Oh my gosh, I can do it.
Stop pooping everywhere.
so I'm just-
Don't leave yet.
So we saved 1 nut shredder. Game bleach. Game root. Alright, let's see what we get. They looked about the same. So we would have gotten 6,600. 6,618 because they had like the same amount of nuts in them. So that's how much we would have gotten. Alright, so beast cost. It's time. That sold for a little bit. A lot actually. So do this because it gives you money. Dollar bills. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, like, and I'll give you a tutorial for a super complicated one. So yeah, beast costs backflip.